Hello guys, this is my firework stash for 2009. More firecrackers, blown candles, more firecrackers and stuff. Let's start with the Roman candles. These are small 10-shot Roman candles, real thin. Like real thin. So, about like 36 of these. One of these gushing smoke. I think, yeah. 2 packs of flying saucers. And then got this for free. Fountain firecrackers, extra large. They're a little bit longer. They're about that long now. They used to be about that long. Alright. Got all these firecrackers. I have so many firecrackers. That's just a whole bag. This is like 1,000 or something. And got 3 of those, just showing you 2 of them. Six of these, and 1 of these, and 2 of these. $2.50. They're just a bunch of firecrackers. They all go off. Right, now for the fun stuff. Mortars, cakes, batteries, everything. Hold on, be right back. Gotta get my flashlight. Alright, get my flashlight. 2 single shot 1-inch mortars for 2-inch, I think. Down there. Got 3 parachute guys. 1, 2, 3. Got 1.4 gram cake, 2 of these, basically the same thing. Other one down here is basically the same thing, but it's a different name. I don't know. This is a 200 gram cake, big shells. I expected them to be pretty small, but they're huge. The middle one is big, bigger than my thumb. So I didn't expect that. 100 shot, right there. Red, white, and blue shell. Golden willow shell. Saturn battery. 25 shot Saturn battery. 200 shot Saturn battery. Got 2 boxes of 1-inch mortars right here. 1-inch mortars. Got 2 boxes of these, but I got all the shells in here. See? 1-inch. Right there, just explode. Got two boxes of those, 12 mortars, pretty good deal, $3 each. So, yeah. And this is just my first trip. I'll be going up for a big trip, another trip. This is only about $55 worth. I'll have another probably $45, $50 again with my money. Roman candles, fountain smoke, firecrackers, tubes, mortars, 1-inch. I'll be doing these all at my aunt's house because I'll probably get some footage of it or video of it, but I'll be doing them at my aunt's because where I live they're illegal. So, yep. Yeah. Yeah, in the bottom one down here, these are like 13-shot things. Just a big hole in the middle. I think they're only 1.4 gram. Yep, 1.4 gram. And this is a 13-shot, 1.4 gram. $1.50 each on sale. So, yeah, definitely get these. I have 1 more of these, but it's like a triangle. See ya.